The sixth rule of design, Hicks Law. Hicks Law states that the time needed to make a decision depends on the amount of choices available to a person. The more choices exist, the more time we need. How to use it. Number 1. Reduce the number of choices when response time is critical to increase decision time. For example, this is important for control system environments and menus. Remember that the less options you give a user, the more likely he performs an action. Number 2. Break down complex and long processes into smaller steps. For example, you can divide the user registration process into several screens. It will make the interface more user-friendly. Number 3. Keep a balance between reducing complexity and oversimplifying. Breaking down the choices for a series of lots of small chunks can make the user leave before reaching the goal. There are 2 rules to make small steps work. Show how many steps you have and try to limit them to 5 steps max. Number 4. Use the highlighting to help users to avoid overloading and to make a choice quicker. You can stand out important options for users among the cluttered interface. Number 5. Categorize choice to navigate users in a website. If one menu offers direct access to every link, it could quickly overload the user. How to break the law. There are situations when infinite choice works great. For example, infinite scroll in Instagram or TikTok. At the same time, in both cases actions are so simple that users actually can repeat them a lot of times. It is different with Netflix, for instance. The reduced time of options here works much better. People like different lists like trending now, top 10 in your country, best comedies and so on. Such lists help users to make a hard decision, how to pick one film or TV show among thousands. For more design laws and Figma tips, go on my account. And don't forget to subscribe and put your like.